Hello, I'm Kevin Burt, Director of Happiness at Samtec. I'm at the Samtec booth at DesignCon 2022, where we have many demonstrations and technology displays. The one we're looking at today is a proof of concept for an on-package or near-package direct drive electrical channel that can support 100 gig plus of signaling. These drives could be used in midboard optical and copper designs using Samtec Flyover cable assemblies, or mezzanine connector sets, or for full channel front panel and back panel cable applications. Let's begin by looking at the demo and the signal path. On board 1, we have an alpha wave IP SerDes that generates 56 gig NRZ signals, which travel through approximately 10 inches of trace in a PCB made of iTerra MT40. The signals travel to a Samtec Bullseye BE70A test point system through 6 inches of low-loss coax cable to another Bullseye connector on board 2. This second board is made of Tachyon 100G. The signals then travel through another 1-inch of PCB trace to a MACOM 4x112 gig bidirectional driver and TIA. After the standard MTP connector, the optical path consists of 25 meters of OM4 fiber with an optical loopback. This gives an overall optical signal path of 50 meters. After returning by the same path, the signal is analyzed at the SerDes receiver. Let's look at the results. On the left-hand side, we're showing error-free bit error rate performance. And on the right-hand side, we've got a nice wide open eye demonstrating plenty of margin. There are many benefits to a linear direct drive. First, by eliminating the retimers, we can significantly reduce the cost. A typical 32 QSFP-DD port Ethernet switch has 256 lanes, and we could see a cost savings of up to $20,000. Also, optical transceiver DSPs are no longer necessary, which can reduce the transceiver cost by up to 50%. There's also the benefits of reduced power and heat. Next-gen 112 gig active optical transceivers will consume 20 to 25 watts of power. Removing the DSP and supporting hardware could reduce the power required by 60% per module. And obviously, this reduction in heat provides significantly improved reliability. If you want to learn more about this linear direct drive approach, contact the Samtec Signal Integrity Group at sig@samtec.com. The Signal Integrity Group can assist you with full system SI optimization, signal integrity testing, simulation and analysis, PDM, thermal modeling, simulation and testing, and power architecture, system design, and routing. These are busy guys and they are awesome. I'm Kevin Burt. Thanks for watching and stay happy.